This is awesome. Oh my God. I'm gonna talk a lot during this. Oh man, thanks so much. This is just, it's fucking crazy. Oh my God, I love it. I love Scranton. I love Cole. I love all of you. This is great. But yeah, we're gonna play some songs for you. Thanks for being here. Today was really great for, I feel like everyone involved, the vendors, the people, you know, it was just the bands, everyone's having fun. That's the only thing that matters here, so we're gonna keep having some fun. Oh my God. Oh no! Dreaming of snow since I came back home. Something to blanket the noise out noise is coming from? All right, now it's gone. Okay, we're good. Thanks. Something's yelling at me, I don't know what. Alright, well hey, fuck it. We'll just keep going. Thanks for being here. This is awesome. We're gonna kick it up. Thank you. I was never prepared for like sweating so much that sweat goes in my eyes and then I start crying. But I guess that's a good excuse for when I do start crying, I can just blame the sweat. Thanks for being here. This is so cool. I think Scranton is a beautiful place with a beautiful community of people that support art and culture and just, I don't know, it's a great spot. And I think this event proves that and proves that good things can happen in Scranton if you just try. That's it. You just have to try. This was 2.5 months I tweeted that I thought it'd be cool, and here we are. So I just think that, I think it's just sick. I think it's cool, and to see everybody else happy and having fun is like the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. And yeah, so that's my spiel for now. We're gonna keep playing. Thanks for being here. You can dance. Thank you. It's time I introduce everybody that's playing with me. We'll start all the way to my right. Beautiful, sweet Chelsea Taylor. The best person I've ever met. Literally sent from heaven. We watched her ascend down today as she got here. It was awesome. It was so sick. You should have seen it. Right over here, Mr. Vinny Miranda. Beautiful boy, beautiful voice, beautiful soul. Dude loves to eat. So he had a great time with those food tents earlier today. Right here, man who deserves no introduction. Mr. Chris Kirby, everybody, on the bass. I hear a Kirby chant. He's got I was hoping he'd wear the Red Barons jersey that he wore on tour. He used to play for the Red Barons many years ago. Yeah, he was the designated hitter for the Red Barons. Behind me, my brother, Tyler Barrett, smashing away on those big bad drums. It's fucking cool playing with my brother. It's awesome. To my left, my dear friend, Amanda Rogan of Sweetnest, Amanda writes beautiful music, and she also sang on every single song on my record. And it's really cool to play the show and have her here, and it's just a lot of fun. And finally, all the way to the left, love of my life, Jesse Morvan. You might have seen Jesse in Modern Ties earlier today. He fucking killed it. It was awesome. And then here he is, double duty, rocking out again. It's not natural, to be honest. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not good at talking on here. But.
Well, we all need to say thank you to James too, just for putting this on. Great person, okay. Great event.
You're welcome. All right. So we've never done this before, but we're gonna do a cover. Yeah, this is rare territory, and I made sure my family wouldn't find out because I think my dad's gonna really like this song. Yeah. But give me 2 seconds. I really like this song, and then it kind of fit with the whole idea of I don't know, just having your mind set on something and making it happen. So. Thanks. I knew I should bring another guitar. I just knew it. Some days you wake up and you know things, and I knew that was going to happen. What's that? That's all that matters. James knows. I do. Want to recover. There we go. All right, we're good. I got a backup. It's all fine. All right, is everyone having fun? Okay, I think we're good. We have 2 more songs, and then Slingshot Dakota's gonna come up and blow everyone's mind. And then Captain We're Sinking is gonna play their first show in 5 years. And they're gonna really blow everybody's minds. It's gonna be insane. I might jump off the furnaces and hope that people catch me. I won't do that. I don't want Steve to have a lawsuit, so I won't do that. Everyone, please. I could not have done this alone. There's a lot of help that actually went into this. My dear friend James Muskoka literally helped so much with the vendors, and just, we were both freaking out, but like without James, this would not have happened either. So yeah, a lot of help. My dear friend Zach came in from Jersey today. Zach helped us pick this beautiful lineup for the day. Steve Masterson helped us put this on and provided the alcohol and everything, and give it up for all the food and all the vendors and everyone else, because it takes every single person here for this to work, and it worked for sure. So we got 2 more. Yeah, perfect. Sorry, team. That was good recovery. All right. What I would do for our new life. What I would do to feel love. There's something in my bones that limits my strength, makes me unstable on my own. It makes me long for something, someone, for my anxious soul to hold. Can you explain your reasons once again? It's not that I'm stupid, I just don't think we can be friends. But I'm too drunk to admit anything. And you can tell me that we're tired, and you can say I'm fucked up in my head, but that won't fix what's wrong with me. So please fix me. So please fix me. 'Cause I'm scared and I'm lonely. So please fix me. Thank you so much. Please, everyone, give it up for everyone playing with me. I would not do it without them. I literally wouldn't. This is awesome. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting this and supporting local art and music and everything. It's so sick, and we're gonna do it again next year. And it's next year, if we could do this with 2.5 months, I think with a year, it could be really epic. So next year it'll be better. It's just gonna keep getting better and better. But thank you for being here. Thanks for hanging out. Slingshot Dakota is up next, and then Captain We're Sinking. It's gonna be crazy. Yeah, thanks so much. Thank you. That's loud. I can't wait around and wait for you, like waiting for a sky so blue over Scranton to last longer than a 2-hour segment. I find myself feeling awfully blue, losing consciousness, shopping for food and awareness. Miss you, I'm so scared of hospitals and ICUs and the abundance of constant bad news on the networks. The death and destruction of the earth. I'm scared that you will get sick too. You've had who do. I love you and I'll forgive you for force me through what I want to feel. Thanks, everybody. Give it up for my band one more time, please. Thank you. And then last, give it up for yourselves for being here. One more time, please. Thank you. I knew that was gonna happen.